Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to stop Perplexity from browsing the internet. This is particularly useful when you want Perplexity to rely solely on its internal knowledge base, rather than pulling information from live web sources, giving you more controlled and consistent responses. First, you'll need to open your web browser and navigate to perplexity.ai. Once the page loads, go ahead and log in using your credentials to access your account. Make sure you're fully signed in before moving to the next step, as these settings are only available to authenticated users. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the main Perplexity interface. Look for the chat input box positioned in the center of your screen. This is where you'll normally type your questions. Right next to this input box, you'll notice a plus icon. Click on this plus icon, and a menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Connectors and Sources. This section is what controls where Perplexity pulls its information from, so it's crucial for limiting its browsing capabilities. Once you're in the Connectors and Sources menu, you'll see several checkboxes representing different information sources that Perplexity can access. You'll notice options like web, academic, and social. These are the sources that allow Perplexity to browse the internet for real-time information. To stop Perplexity from accessing the internet, simply uncheck the box beside web, then uncheck the box beside academic, and finally uncheck the box beside social. By disabling all three of these sources, you're effectively cutting off Perplexity's ability to browse external websites and databases. Now that you've adjusted these settings, it's time to test whether the changes have taken effect. Head back to the main chat box where you normally interact with Perplexity. Type in a question that you'd like to ask. Once you've typed your question, press Enter on your keyboard or click the Submit button to proceed. Perplexity will now process your query using only its internal knowledge without reaching out to the internet. And there you have it. You've successfully configured Perplexity to stop browsing the internet, giving you more control over the type of information it provides. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.